Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to talk about nutrition. doTERRA has a new nutritional line and I just want to highlight some of the products for you. Mine have not come in as of yet, or I would show you what they look like, but we're going to just talk about a few. So we have the protein powder, we have the vanilla and chocolate, we have a vegan version, we have the greens, and we have the fiber. So there's 5 nutrients that you basically need in your diet to stay healthy. Okay, so we need protein, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Each of these nutrient types is important and accomplishes some different things in your body. Did you know that the modern diet is often deficient in various nutrients? These are major nutrients that your body needs every single day, and most people are lacking so many of it. I know I talk a lot about the lifelong vitality. I will always come back to that because that is a starting point. It is formulated to give you essential oils and a lot of nutrients that you need. But when we're reviewing protein and carbohydrates and fats and vitamins and minerals, the lifelong vitality can't give us all of that. So that's why doTERRA has come out with this fabulous new nutritional line to give you everything that you need. So let's talk a little bit about protein. So protein is an important macronutrient that is crucial for building muscle, managing appetite, and helping the body recover after workouts. Protein is also necessary to provide the body with energy and stamina to perform functions like building cells, supporting healthy immune system, and things like that. Okay, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are talked about a lot. There are good carbohydrates and there are bad carbohydrates. For most of you, I'm sure, if you have children, our children love carbohydrates. They will open that snack drawer, grab anything that's full of starch and, all the bad carbohydrates that they really don't need in their body. So, carbohydrates are an important source of energy for your body, especially your brain, your heart, your kidneys, and your central nervous system. Fiber is a carbohydrate with a long list of health benefits, including supporting healthy digestion, helping maintain healthy blood cholesterol levels, and all these lovely things. So keep in mind, there are good carbohydrates and there are bad carbohydrates. Everyone's body is different. If we're talking about an athlete, their nutrition is going to look a lot different than, myself. Yes, I work out a lot, but my son specifically is going to need a lot more carbohydrates than I might need. So there definitely is different variances and everyone's body is different, but this just gives you a guideline of the fact that one, we all need it. It's just how much do we need? Okay, let's talk about fats. Fats are nutrients required for many key functions. Essential fats like omega-3 fatty acids are not produced by our bodies, so we must consume them with our food and our supplementation. So like I talk a lot when I talk about the lifelong vitality, most people are missing these nutrients. Omegas you can get in fish and in all these healthy fats, but not everyone is eating enough to get enough into their system. So that's why we always supplement. So sources include fish, nuts, flax seeds, flaxseed oil, leafy vegetables. Omega fatty acids help support your joints, your cardiovascular, your brain health, and support healthy immune function. Are you noticing a key factor here? Supporting healthy immune function. Everything we do, all the supplements, all the nutrients that we're trying to introduce here into our body is going to help support a healthy immune function, which is vital in optimal health and vital nowadays. Okay, let's talk about vitamins. We'll briefly just discuss it. Vitamins play a role in many different bodily functions, such as keeping your tissues healthy, helping convert food into energy, supporting good eyesight, and strengthening your bones. So again, if we're lacking these supplements, And these nutrients, we're going to have issues with our bone health. Maybe not as a teenager, but, someone who's in her 40s, that's something that we want to make sure that we are getting enough of, okay? Let's talk minerals. Minerals are nutrients your body needs to be healthy. They play a role in the health of many different vital functions of your body, including your bones, teeth, blood, and muscles. So all these combined, all these nutrients are super important to have optimal health. Okay, so knowing what nutrients your body needs and where those nutrients can be found is super important towards optimal health, lifelong vitality, lifelong wellness. So doTERRA's nutritional and supplements are designed to make it easy. So we have our protein, we have our greens, we have our fiber. So these are whole food ingredients and innovative science to deliver micro and macronutrients as if they were fresh from a vine, root, or tree. Isn't that amazing? So let's talk a little bit about the protein. When you're shopping for protein, if you know anything about it, there's so many different versions that you can buy, and there's so many different grams. Like different people, like I said, are going to need more protein, less protein, all these things. So when you're buying protein, you want to make sure that you're getting enough protein, okay? And I think that's one reason that we have switched into a new version of the protein powder. We did have another one, which is great. I love it. I use it every day, but the grams of protein in it wasn't super high. So depending on if you're an athlete and you're very active, you need a high source of protein and you need a lot of it. So protein, it helps manage the appetite and assists overall digestive health. So the whey blend is sourced from pasture-fed cows, and the vegan blend is sourced from pea, brown rice, pumpkin seed, sacha, inchi, and flaxseed, and includes a profile of all 20 amino acids available in chocolate, vanilla, and vegan. So 21 to 22 grams of protein, 7 to 8 grams of fiber, 10 to 12 grams of carbohydrates, 140 to 150 calories per serving, and it's easy to digest, okay? So you're not going to have gas and bloating and all those lovely things. So just when we look at the protein powder, you're already going to get some fiber in there. But one thing that helps support a healthy digestive system is having a lot of fiber in your body. So 7 to 8 grams of fiber is not necessarily enough for every single person. So that's where doTERRA fiber comes in. So like I said, it supports a healthy digestive system, controls appetite, optimizes blood sugar, and supports the metabolic process. So the addition of a specific prebiotic blend provides food for probiotics in the gut to support a healthy microbiome and immune system. Again, healthy immune system. The fiber blend is sourced from whole foods like apple, tapioca, and flax seeds. Super awesome. You can add these to your shake, all of them. You can add water. You can just add almond milk. There's so many different variations. I like blending it, all of my collagen powders, proteins, all into a smoothie and with a ton of fruits and veggies so that when I'm starting the day, I know that I've already got all of the fruits and veggies that I need for the whole day. So anything above and beyond that is just going to be extra. Okay, doTERRA Greens, another product that we already have, but again, they're just improving on the product. So I love mine, same thing. I dump a scoop into my smoothie and we are good to go. So it provides a mix of fruits, vegetables, and superfoods responsibly sourced from ingredients such as moringa, acai, cabbage, collard greens, dandelion, kale, parsley, spinach, alfalfa, barley, oat, pineapple, mango, and goji berry to support healthy immune function, digestion, weight management, and energy. So 1 to 2 servings of fruits and vegetables I'm assuming it's going to be in a little scooper, 6 grams of carbohydrates, and 40 calories, lemon and ginger essential oils, and mixed berry flavor. So super exciting, okay? Just by using this product, you're not going to have your spinach and your kale sitting in the fridge so that you can add it to your smoothie. You can just put in a scoop and you're good to go. And you're going to get some fruits in there as well. So I'm going to talk about it again, but lifelong vitality, this combination of our nutritional line and our supplements and our daily routines is key to having optimal health. So talking about lemon, talking about balance, talking about Terrazyme, probiotics, these are super important, and they're super important all together. Okay. So the nice thing is with this combination, and I know I just forgot to talk about one, but peppermint, they're all going to help your digestion, okay? Your metabolic function in your system. It's super important to have this working properly. If you have gut issues, guess what else you potentially have? You probably have mental health issues. A lot of it is connected. If we can have a healthy gut, we can have healthy all over. So that's just a little quick rundown on our new nutritional line that is coming out. I will be sending out samples, so if you are interested, please comment. Let me know which you would like. I will be having all of them. I'd be happy to send a sample of everything, and we can go from there. This is a step in the direction of optimal health. I like the word optimal health, but just a healthier you. Who doesn't want to start the year being healthy? I'm currently doing a cleanse, and I'm super excited that this product line came out, because when we're done the cleanse, which is about middle of February, we're going to jumpstart into the nutritional line. So there's going to be a challenge that you can join, and we're going to do it in March because we've missed the current one because we were halfway through our cleanse. So we're cleansing our system right now, and then we're going to start doing, okay, daily routines. How can we do this and introduce these essential oils, supplements, products into our daily routine to help us function properly? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and we will talk soon.